Can you get that accent, please?
Yeah, yes, without a lot.
Dog is following me consistently. You have to be aware of monkeys here, वरना तो वो लेके ही चले जाएंगे. तो मैं YouTube कैसे बनाऊंगी? So अभी 6 बजे और हमको 2 किलोमीटर चल के जाना है. Now feels like I have come to Matheran. So these are the Juttis and Mojris.
Hi guys, ये मैं हूँ.
So दांत बंद कर आणि मग सांग. Wait, your pimple is popping, right?
Yeah, sorry.
We danced a lot. In daylight only you try to move in your stay place. Welcome to Matheran. I was supposed to come here in the morning, but due to medical emergency I was not able to come here. So I came here at almost 5:30. So my friends are coming here to pick me up. तो वो टॉय ट्रेन से नीचे आएंगे, फिर मैं उनके साथ ऊपर जाऊंगी. तो basically you have to take the ticket of 50 rupees to enter to Matheran, and you have a private vehicle or the vehicle which you wanna come from Neral station. So both has to stop at Dasturi. So अभी 6 बजे और हमको 2 किलोमीटर चल के जाना है. यहाँ पे काफ़ी ठंड है. जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर जाते हो वैसे वैसे यू फील कोल्ड, एंड यू हैव टू बी अवेयर ऑफ monkeys here. They snatch anything and everything from your hand. Especially I have a tripod, so I have to be very careful. वरना तो वो लेके ही चले जाएंगे. तो मैं YouTube कैसे बनाऊँगी? हमने घोड़ा नहीं लिया है, हम चल के ही जाएंगे क्योंकि बीच में थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करने जैसी है. तो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर. घोड़े वाले तो आपको 550 वगैरह बताते हैं, बट वो 350 तक आ जाते हैं. आप और थोड़ा बार्गेन भी कर सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है. सो अभी इस घने जंगल में ऐसे हम चल के जा रहे हैं. आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट मिस द सनसेट टुडे बिकॉज आई एम लेट. So we are just enjoying our walk. So this is how the valley looks like. Today it's very foggy, right?
Yeah.
Because as I told you, we go up and up. There is a lot of cold over here. Finally we reached at I love Matheran. Matheran. हम लोग almost Matheran पहुंच गए हैं. This is the up area. We have crossed that 2 kilometers and we have reached. अभी हम जाएंगे हमारे स्टे पे. ये निमिष का क्या चालू है पता नहीं. Oh, it's 6:30 and it's all dark. My God. So these are the like local spots where you can have all the Maggi and gola and all that stuff. So आता आम्ही जातो आहे आमच्या स्टे कडे, which is really very beautiful, and I'm sure you will be also excited to see that. Now feels like I have come to Matheran. How lively the place is. I am coming here after long time. See, this is how these dogs do. When I came here a long time back, there was hardly any shops. Now you can shop so many things. Here are the pretty Mojris and Juttis, man. Look at it. I mean, I really like the leather collection and the work they have done. Oh my goodness, I really loved it. Oh my goodness, I'm liking all the designs here. Oh, so pretty designs here. So these are the Juttis and Mojris. Oh my goodness. So now we have crossed that buzzy market and now we are moving towards our stay. I'm really excited to see my stay because morning तो मैं आई नहीं थी. ये लोग आए थे already morning से और मैं तो अभी आ रही हूँ. तो मैं अभी देखूँगी how pretty it looks. Now this area is quite away from the market and the station. where we are staying. So at night it is not recommended to come out and roam around. In daylight only you try to move in your stay place. And finally we have reached at Alexander Heritage Camping. Hello Smita, hi! Where are we?
कधी येणार आहे? कधी येणार आहेस पूजा? Hi guys, ये मैं हूँ।
Lot of
ये हम सब है। ये हम सब है। और हम यहाँ पे
बैचलर्स पार्टी
हो रही है।
विशाल के बिना बैचलर्स पार्टी हो रही है।
Hello guys, happy birthday Adi.
हाय आदि, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Wish we will miss you.
Happy birthday,
Wish
Aditya.
फक्त हसतोय.
So now we have reached and so we have reached the place and this is how we actually greet each other. So let's begin. Woo!
Now these people are taking barbecue. Paneer and what? Tomato, batata.
नो इट्स बटाटा चिका पे।
So हे आहे barbecue, ये है barbecue, पनीर है, गाजर है, tomato है, potato है. But the taste is not that good. Okay, Pratik has tasted and Smita also tasted the same. Oh my god, looking at her face, I don't think so it's eatable.
Yeah.
Edible. No, but it's okay. We should respect the food. Oh, इतकं काळं का खातेस?
आणि कडक बटाटा खाते का गाजर खाते कळत नाही आहे।
This green chutney is awesome, huh?
Okay, great, noted. ही माझी प्लेट आहे पण थोडं मी खाऊ की नको विचार करते. निमेश has to say something.
Yes.
Storyteller.
It will not suit your audience. But you can try. Pooja, you can just do.
गाइस
हाँ, बीप बीप बीप.
गाइस कमेंट में बताना।
कमेंट में बताना ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ है
क्या?
यस।
जो निमेश बोलेगा अभी.
बोलो निमिष, क्या बोलना चाहते हो आप? I don't have to say anything.
ये प्रतिका पण ऐकू दे।
जी मुझे भी सुनना है आप क्या मेरे भी खाने दे। I am dissecting the paneer. I am going C-section. I am doing C-section now. Where is baby? Hello baby, there is baby inside. Hello.
So we are at Alexander Heritage and here the jamming session is going on and we enjoyed a hell lot. Like I am having this since long time. I hope you will enjoy this. So these are the audience, they are also enjoying. Are you enjoying the jamming session? Yeah! So these are the rooms they have. They also have the cottages and they also have the tents. This time we are staying in tents because it is cold. So we thought of staying in tents. Then they have these jhulas and all. Big property, so you can definitely enjoy over here with your friends or one night stay. And that jamming session just took my heart. I literally enjoyed it. I mean जो माहौल बनता है ना दोस्तों के साथ आना बहुत ज़रूरी है भाई. So this is our tent. This is boys' tent. So beside that there will be girls' tent. All these three boys, I don't know what they are doing inside the tent.
We are resting now.
Yeah, they danced a lot, na. That's why. So these are the canvas in case if rain comes, so वो tents को canvas के अंदर डाल देते हैं. अच्छा आज बारिश नहीं है, so we could enjoy lot more stuff over here. So overall, this is a great vibe at Alexander Heritage. You will get the veg food over here. And this is the whole dining area. The food will be only veg. There will not be served non-veg here.
कैसा जादू कर दिया
तेरा मन बैठा है मेरा जिया जाने क्या होगा क्या पता इस पल को मिल गया जी ले जरा again another photograph. Jhula is also there. Just making them jealous of this place. She's showing that they have missed coming over here. And how was the jamming session?
Yes.
We danced a lot.
Okay.
We
I was like, yes.
we danced a lot.
Yes.
Can you get that accent, please?
Yeah. Yes, we danced a lot. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah. And you were just wooding and just dancing.
Yes, I was just doing the flying dance
Okay.
For whom?
for my behave yourself.
Can you please tell the next schedule? Smita, can you please tell the next schedule? Just तुझे दांत बंद कर आणि मग सांग.
I'm live back. So I'll.
What is the schedule, by the way? Like, what is
Now
going to be
we'll
the
have the
schedule? What
dinner.
we are going to
After
do?
that, we'll do a 25-minute break. I don't know where they're going to take us.
Oh, by the way, your pimple is popping, right?
Yeah, sorry. टी ट्री ऑयल यूज करो पर उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
No, but tea tree oil, you have to dilute the tea
Yes,
tree oil.
I
yeah.
did that, but
Okay.
I guess it's still the same.
It's a love.
बताओ मुझे पिंपल के लिए क्या करना चाहिए. मुझे
मुल्तानी
2
माते लाओ.
दिन में मेरा ये पिंपल जाना चाहिए guys, please.
Yeah, because
comment में मत
his date has told her that you should not
बिना
come
pimple,
with
there's no
pimple.
date.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Like, subscribe.
Please like, subscribe
वो आता है ना दीदी
and follow Pooja's channel.
दीदी पहला पिंप
Can we give us some legit content? Can we guys
Yes.
please?
शुरुआत
So that people can watch this content. Now these guys are having dinner,
आणि लिंक्डइन साठी
dal bhat.
लिंक्डइन साठी
So we have this dal bhat. You don't get the aesthetic plate like my Instagram food account. These guys have taken the random food. I mean, they just believe in eating. They don't believe in clicking pictures and posting on Instagram.
Mine is red.
Everybody is eating. Oh my God! Look what you did. Aesthetic content. But the rest of the plate is so messy. So this is paneer matar paneer, chole, dal rice, puri, and then it comes achar. Oh, the gajar ka halwa, which I don't like. Smita is giving puri to Nimish, who finishes every food and any food. Can you show me the koshimbir, please? And here comes my food. I don't eat gajar ka halwa. I will be trying chole, matar paneer, this koshimbir, simple koshimbir. Looks like bhatura, but it's a puri. Dal rice, pickle, and that's it. So this is our tent look that we all cannot fit in this tent. The boys will take another tent
Also,
and
Swapnil is Jian. So guys, you must have seen Jian. He's
yeah,
Jian.
I'm Shizuka.
Yes.
जाशील खाली हात पाय काढला तर
This is
Oh,
Himawari.
I'm Shutki from Chota Bheem. आता टेंट आपल्याला लागेल गाडीमध्ये.
Now this is the real DJ dancing. अब तक जो jamming session में हो रहा था वो तो कुछ भी नहीं था मतलब. अभी बज रहे असली गाने. अरे बर्थडे आहे भावाचा.
आमचा कुठं?
नाद खुळा. आमचा कुठं?
लागलं ना गाणं?
कुछ बचा ही नहीं है कुछ बचा ही नहीं है
आता सगळं सुकलंय. नावाला तुमच्या डिमांड आली.
चर्चा तुमची झाली. नावाला तुमच्या डिमांड आली.
ओ शेट
तुम्ही नादच केलाय ते. ओ shit, तुम्ही नादच केलाय ते.
ए शांत रहा था चला. Now we could spot so many stars over here. It's very beautiful outside our tent. Let's sing this song. Breakfast. Now we have spotted this black-faced monkey.
Like, subscribe.
Please like, subscribe
वो आता है ना दीदी
and follow Pooja's channel.